Do you want to make money from home, but are confused about where to start? You have so many questions running through your head. What business should I start? How much money do I need to invest? Which skills do I need to learn? And it seems that every time you go online, you see yet another guru telling you about some magical money-making opportunity that will change your life in 24 hours. Well, today that ends. Because in this video, I am going to show you a super simple daily plan that will help you make money from home no matter what you choose to do. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we dive into the details of how to make money from home, there are 3 things I want you to keep in mind. Number 1, this video is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a compilation of my favorite methods to make money from home that work great for me. So, if you are one of those people who are expecting to become a millionaire overnight, please skip to the next video. Number 2, if you want to be successful at any of these methods, you need to put in the work. Nothing worth having comes easy, especially when it comes to making money online. But trust me, the hard work pays off. Number 3, everyone can make money online regardless of their background or experience. All you need is a little bit of guidance, which is exactly what I'm going to give you in this video. So make sure to watch until the end. And now, before we dive into the details of how to make money from home, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to stay up to date with all our upcoming videos. Okay, let's get started. Here's a simple daily plan to help you make money from home. First, take the first 2 hours of your day and dedicate them to active income. This means doing work that requires your direct attention, such as freelancing, giving presentations, sending out proposals, and so on. If you haven't already done so, this is the best time to start building your portfolio so you can start getting paid clients. If you have clients already, this is the best time to deliver awesome work so they will come back for more. The key is to use this time wisely to generate income. Once you are done with your active income for the day, move on to passive income streams such as digital products, YouTube, print on demand, and so on. These are all great ways to generate income without having to put in a lot of time and effort. And since you only have 24 hours in a day, you need to be smart about how you spend your time. That is why I recommend focusing on 1 or 2 passive income streams at a time instead of trying to do everything at once. Choose the ones that fit your skills and interests, and then give them your full attention. One of my top recommendations is to start selling digital products. This can include anything from ebooks and courses to Notion templates and website themes. Digital products are great because you can create them once and sell them over and over again. This means that you can earn passive income for years to come without having to put in a lot of work. In fact, you can create a single digital product that sells for $100,000 or more. And the best part is that you do not need to be an expert at marketing or sales to make this work. You just need to create a good product and make sure that people know about it. There are a number of platforms you can use to sell your digital products, but I recommend using a platform that makes it easy to set up an online store and manage your inventory. You can also use a platform to create a professional-looking website for your online store without having to hire a web developer. Plus, a platform offers a variety of marketing tools that can help you promote your products and reach a wider audience. And let's not forget about the analytics. A platform provides detailed information about your customers and their purchasing habits. This information can help you improve your products and marketing efforts so you can continue to grow your business. Next, set aside 1 hour each day to learn new skills. These could be skills that will help you increase your rates for active income streams, such as copywriting, graphic design, or social media marketing. Or they could be skills that will help you create passive income streams, such as web development, app development, or content creation. Learning new skills is essential if you want to succeed in making money online. It will help you stand out from the competition, and it will also help you increase your earning potential. And the best part is that you don't need to go back to school to learn new skills. There are a number of free resources available online that can teach you everything you need to know. Some of my favorite platforms to learn new skills include various online learning platforms. These platforms offer thousands of courses on a variety of topics, and you can find courses on just about anything you want to learn. The great thing about these platforms is that they are very affordable. You can get access to all of the courses for a monthly subscription fee. Another way to learn new skills is by watching YouTube tutorials. There are so many talented creators who are willing to share their knowledge with others. I recommend finding a few channels that cover the topics that you are interested in, and then watching a few videos each week. You can also join relevant Facebook groups, where people are always sharing helpful resources and tutorials. Finally, take some time at the end of the day to review what you have accomplished and what you can improve upon. This will help you stay on track and make sure that you are using your time wisely. When you first start out, it can be difficult to know what to focus on and how to prioritize your time. But as you start to see results, you will start to figure out what works best for you. Just remember to stay focused, be patient, and persistent, and you will eventually achieve success. To sum up, here is your simple daily routine to make money from home. Dedicate the first 2 hours of your time to active income. Focus on freelancing, presentations, and proposals. Then back for passive income. Start with digital products like Notion templates. Spend an hour a day learning new skills to increase your rates. At the end of the day, review what worked and what you can improve upon. Starting is the hardest part, so just take the first step today and you'll be well on your way to success. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it has given you some ideas on how to make money from home. Remember, you can find the necessary links in the description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.